So today I'm going to show you how to build a burn barrel in under a minute with an axe and a barrel and a grate for a spark arrestor. Very, very efficient. Makes a vortex. So to burn efficiently, you're trying to make a vortex in it. So what you do is you put it on its side and you hit it with your old axe nice and hard and firm, like that. And then torque your axe, push it down so that the air is going to spin one way in it. You do this every, I don't know, foot or so. Always push your axe the same way. And that's it. So the air is going to always go kind of this way and create a vortex for it. And that's kind of what it looks like. Then find some old grating. I just have one of these as a spark arrestor. That goes on top so you don't get little pieces of whatever you're burning, sticks and stuff, and sparks flying out the top. So for all your cardboard and paper materials, this is actually the most environmentally friendly way to dispose of it. Countries like Singapore burn all of their garbage. They're an island country at 99-point-something% efficiency, create electricity from it, and then all of the ash out of all of the garbage that they incinerate, they put in the ocean, and it expands the island and their coral reef system. So it's very, very good burning and getting rid of paper and my shipping supplies like this. Put our grate on. Now see the wind, slight breeze, it always goes this way because I torqued it with the axe, getting air really efficiently. And in a slight wind is when you want to actually do this. Make sure you have a spark arrestor on. And it disappears into beautiful ash. And if you're burning just cardboard and paper, put that right on your garden. And that's literally it. So all of that paper and cardboard I put in is already completely incinerated, burned extremely efficient, and it's gone. If you keep throwing on, the fire gets so hot because of that vortex system that it really reduces the smoke. So when you first start it up, it's smoky, and then after burning a little bit, like if you were to burn pieces of wood and things, there'll be hardly any smoke because it burns so hot and efficiently with this vortex system that, and that's what you want for proper incineration. It's also a really good way to dispose of the boxes that your new guns come in before your wife knows about it. No evidence, no witnesses, it never happened.